This is Lebombo, a Boeing 747-200 delivered to South African Airways in September of 1971. She was one of South African Airways' first 747s and marked the beginning of South Africa's true long-haul jet era. Lebombo entered the service shortly after the delivery, powered by Pratt & Whitney JT9D engines. During the 1970s and 1980s, she operated South African Airways' major long-haul routes to cities such as London, Frankfurt, and New York. As a Boeing 747-200, Lebombo could carry around 291 passengers in South African Airways layout. She is 70.6 meters long, with a 59.6 meter wingspan and a maximum takeoff weight of about 377 tons. During her career, she logged thousands of hours across continents and oceans. Lebombo became world famous on the 24th of June 1995. Just before the Rugby World Cup final, she performed an approval low flyover above Ellis Park Stadium. That remains one of South Africa's most iconic aviation and sporting images. Throughout her lifetime, Lebombo underwent regular maintenance, cabin updates, and aviation upgrades. These improvements kept her compliant with global aviation standards and allowed her to serve well into the late 90s. After nearly 30 years in service, Lebombo retired from commercial flying. Instead of being scrapped, she was preserved and moved to the South African Airways Museum Society at Rand Airport. Today, Lebombo is one of the very few Boeing 747-200s in the world that can still be boarded and explored. She stands as a preserved piece of South African aviation history, open to enthusiasts, students, and visitors from around the world. More than 50 years after delivery, Lebombo remains a proud symbol of South Africa's aviation story and a giant of the skies preserved for the future generation.